Yeah, so just got done with my 60-day vacation, courtesy of the city of Jacksonville, Florida. Had to walk about 2 hours from the jail to get home. And I get home, and this is what I came home to. My home has been gutted. It is not a home. If the doors hadn't been unlocked, I wouldn't have got in. Let's take you down the hallway. There's the carpet. It's all torn up. My toilet right there. It's not supposed to be there. Can't really use that there. There's the hallway.